go to mouse. Dada, come here. Look at this. I have 100 oranges. With only one sprite.
Oh.
Okay, cool. So how many can this put? Okay, let me make a star. Okay, now it's a star.
Okay.
Miss learns O R A.
Okay. So this one I drew a triangle. Okay. So whenever I click on the sprite apple, it's gonna draw a square. The triangle. Okay. So before drawing the triangle, let's see to draw a square. Okay, so I'll take another sprite, like a basketball sprite. Okay, so whenever I click on the sprite, we're gonna draw this square. Okay, so first I'll go to events and pick the, whenever I click on this block, when this block has been clicked, sprite. Okay,
Yeah.
and after that what we should do?
Well, let's tell it to make like a giant square.
Yeah. So first I'll be having my pen down, right?
Yeah.
So let me put my pen down.
Then
Okay.
you have to 90 degrees.
Exactly. So I should repeat it 4 times because square has 4 sides, right? So I need to
Yeah.
repeat my steps for 4 times. So I'm gonna take my repeat block and erase the 10 and put 4 inside that. Okay. And after that, what we should do?
The pen in the repeat for?
Yes, the 90 degrees, right?
Yeah.
To 90 degrees, and then what we're gonna do is move 10 steps or move whatever steps we want to move. Okay, so you can give any steps, depends on if you want a bigger square, then you can give a bigger step. If you want to like have a smaller square, you can give a smaller square, I mean smaller side. Okay, so whenever I click on this thing, click on the ball, it's gonna draw a square. Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Did you understand the concept, Siddharth?
Yeah.
Yes. So next thing is I want to let's say I want to change the color of the pen. How do I do that?
Like you say set pen two?
Exactly. So we have set pen color. So it's gonna change the color of the pen. Okay. So when I click on the ball, it's gonna change the color of the pen. Okay. So and after that, let's say I want the pen sticker size. The size of the pen should be bigger. So I have another thing which is called set pen size, and you can like set pen size whichever you find it good. Okay, this one is perfect. Okay, so go ahead and try this, Siddharth.
Wait, can I go to the bathroom quickly?
Yes, sure.